Ganuelas, a roster of the Talk and Text Tropang Texters, the MVP for our rookie-sophomore game. You know, Matt, you did so good. In Tagalog, in Filipino, when somebody does really well, we say, ang haba ng hair, and ang haba ng hair mo.
Thank you. You know, we just wanted to try to come out here and put on a show, and there's literally anybody could have got this. So it's just fun to be out here, and happy that I even have the opportunity to play this.
Paul has a question for you.
Come on, man. Why you did that to my teammate, man?
Sorry, man.
I can't move on, man.
Okay, no, but Matt, you see everyone cheering, all having a good time. This makes you feel good too. You might want to say thank you to everyone.
Yeah. Thank you, Palawan. You guys are wonderful. It's beautiful here, and you guys are just making us feel so welcomed. We really appreciate it. It's hot in here. You know, the AC's off, but we still love you guys.
Thank you very much. Muli palakpakan po natin ang Matt Ganuelas roster of the Talk and Text Tropang Texters of the rookie team, our MVP. Pero ito, kasama ko naman sa kabila, Raymond Almazan. Oh my gosh. This is going to be English, the interview. Is that okay?
Yes, okay.
Okay. So, I want to go back to that situation that happened earlier when you supposed to take a shot and then this guy did something. What happened?
Part ng game yun eh, so wala akong magagawa. Tsaka lahat para sa fans naman yun eh. Tsaka maraming salamat sa mainit na pagtanggap sa amin dito. Sobrang saya namin. Sana maulit daw, sana maulit.
Pero seryoso na to Raymond. Alam mo, napaproud sa'yo si Paul, napaproud sa'yo si Bo kasi bumawi ka ng napakadaming dunk naman. Nangalyo yung kamay mo doon, ibang klase.
Thank you. Sa totoo lang, sobrang saya ko na nandito ako ngayon. Hindi lahat ng opportunity nabibigyan ng ganito. So yun, kahit anong mangyari naman sa loob ng court, yun lang. Basta nag-enjoy lang kami sa loob ng court. Yun ang pinakamasaya. Yun.
Express naman your love to all the Palaweños at yung lahat na nakatutok sa atin from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao.
Sa lahat ng fans ng PBA, maraming salamat sa pagsuporta. Lalo sa mga taga-Palawan na I love you all! Woo! Yun lang sabi ko, maraming salamat.
Kagulo, maraming salamat, Raymond Almazan.